singer and Children's the Beaver. So parang nakita ka na namin na lumaki sa screen sa mga project na ginagawa mo. So my question would be, playing as one of the main youth characters in the film, what did Song of the Fireflies teach you pursuing your dreams?
Thank you for that question. Wow. Oh my God. What did it teach me? Siguro po, one of the things that Herbert taught me is even in the face of adversities, you just have to sometimes be resilient and just deal with it. Because kung tatakbuhan mo yung mga problema mo, walang magbabago. Andun pa rin yung problema. Parang lumalayo ka lang, pero hahabulin ka lang yan. Pero in the case of Herbert, tinulungan siya ni Ma'am. Tinulungan siya na, okay lang yan, iiyak mo lang yan, ibuhos mo yung luha mo. At the end of the day, kailangan nating bumangon at magawa natin yung kailangan natin gawin para maabot natin yung goals natin, yung mga pangarap natin. At yun po yung tinuro sa akin ni Herbert, is staying strong and being resilient.
Meron po kasi tanong for Crystal naman po. So, upon watching kanina ng trailer ng pelikula, nakita mo namin na nagsasalita po ng Visayan dialect yung mga character. So, gusto mo itanong, nakapagsalita na po ba kayo before ng Visayan dialect? And kung hindi pa po, was it hard to act in a dialect you didn't grow up speaking? What was the trickiest part of learning it?
So actually, ang first language ko po, English po talaga. So, I've never spoken any other dialect. I've never ever done that before. So, being the role of Jackie, I needed to learn how to speak Bisaya. We were just so lucky. I mean, both Noel and I, because we had an instructor, a coach there during our taping days to help us like properly pronounce yung mga words kasi para hindi kami mabulol or iba yung pag-pronounce namin. So, super grateful for that. But also, most especially po, nakatulong po talaga being around the kids, the choir. Kasi po, galing po talaga sila doon. So, they really taught us, you know, how they really speak. And then, napapakinggan ko yung paano nila sabihin yung mga words. So, I was just so grateful because it was such a different experience to speak a whole different dialect that I've never had before. And upon watching the film, when I did watch the film, I was just so amazed that I was even able to do that. Kasi it's something that I never thought I would be able to do. I mean, minsan po nahirapan na po akong mag-Tagalog sometimes. So, what more kung Bisaya? So, it was just a great experience po talaga.
But ngayon, ano na, kabalo na, marunong na.
Oh, of course.
Alright, Bernard Santos, My Movie World.
Hello. My question is for Maury, Crystal, and Noel. Personally, nakapag-shoot kayo no, sa Lubok, and then you've been able to immerse yourself and have an experience working with the Lubok choir. So how was it, the experience with them?
For me po, personally, actually I was also just telling sila Crystal and Noel this earlier na when we were in Bohol po kasi when we were shooting, ako personally, I didn't have time to really go around. And so, prior to flying to LA for the premiere po, we had actually a special Bohol screening. I was with Tita GR also and directing po. Tapos sabi ko talaga, isang request ko lang po, gusto ko mag-Lobo Cruise. Kasi ako, di ba parang nadaanan namin yung buong filming, pero yung pinaka-like pinupuntahan ng mga turista, hindi ko na-experience. And so binalikan talaga namin, 24 hours po kami ng asawa ko doon. Nag-firefly watching kami, nag-zipline kami across, like we really immersed ourselves. But I just loved being able to work with the kids. Sobrang chill lang. Tama po sinabi po nila Direk King na it really didn't feel like work. It felt more like a retreat, and even for me, na yun na parang nagja-jamming lang kami. We're getting to know each other as workmates, but also as musicians. Also, we're learning from each other kasi although I am a singer, iba din po yung disiplina sa pagiging part of a choir, all the more as a conductor pa. And so, ang dami kong natutunan being able to shoot this film, and yun po, gaya po ng sabi ko kanina, like I'm just very blessed na everyone sa cast and crew, and especially Derek King was our captain of the boat. Really, he really helped me personally a lot also. And pati din po yung mga mentors la Miss Rachel, even our acting coach also, si Sir Bombi, who really helped us also. And with the kids also, with the kids, na hindi na kids, si Kristen and Noel with their Bisaya also. They learned so fast. I'm just always fascinated. I had the best time personally. Thank you.
For me po, I mean, like I said kanina, it was such a great experience that it's truly irreplaceable po talaga. And being with the choir, it was just so parang a humbling experience because they come from different backgrounds. I mean, compared to me and Noel, we come from different worlds po talaga. And I've learned so much from them na parang naging ka-close ko po talaga sila. I mean, it was so fun going to taping and we're just so excited to see each other and chumichika kami even in Bisaya. So, I mean, it was so fun. It was really such an experience.
Kaya may mga times nga na nagchichikahan sila in Bisaya tapos hulaan namin kung ano sinasabi nila. Tapos minsan tama, nakaka-proud na parang, oh my God, naiintindihan na namin kayo. Pero apart from that learning experience and yung enjoyment, yung bonding namin with the kids, ako, sobrang na-inspire po ako sa kanila. Kasi as portrayed in the film na very disciplined sila, ganun po sila talaga sa totoong buhay. They're very disciplined in the way that they speak, and the way that they interact with other people. Sabi nga na, lagay pa kasi na sarili ng gamit. Tapos, yung professionalism nila, kasi apart from being a choir, apart from performing, apart from competing worldwide, nag-aaral din po sila. Kailangan nilang mag-aral, kailangan nilang may quota po sila ng grades na kita rin po sa film. Kailangan nilang mag-aral ng mabuti para mag-stay sa choir for now. Pero parang nai-inspire po ako na they're working hard in all aspects while being kids, while enjoying their youth. So yun po.
For my last question for the three again, how do you personally relate dun sa character na pinag-train for the movie?
Okay.
I relate with Herbert in the way that dumaan siya sa puberty in a very challenging time. In the sense na pumipiyok siya, nahihirapan siya sa boses niya, and he's dealing with this parang crush, ganyan. So, syempre, nagiging challenging sa work environment kapag meron kang gusto sa isang tao na parang nadidistract ka, or minsan na-inspire ka, or nakakagawa ka ng mga bagay na hindi mo isipin na gagawin mo. Pero, yung naman po, puberty, I was in Your Face Sounds Familiar Kids competition po. Sama ko si Crystal nun, di ba? Parang may time po na naginaya ko si Michael Jackson, puberty po ako na pumipiyok talaga ako. Kasi yung hihi ko, nagiging hihi, wala na lumalabas. So, in that part of the film, sobrang nakarelate po ako kay Herbert. Mas nadalian po ako mag-connect sa character ko, mas nagawa ko po yung details, yung character sketching ng mabuti because of that. Yeah.
I would say na I related po to Jackie in a way na very helpful friend po talaga siya. She was such a caring friend, not only to Herbert, but to all of the rest of the choir. And she was such an ate in a way to everyone, and I think I relate in that sense. And she's just such a caring and loving person, and she will really, help you. And she'll joke around kapag sad ka, she'll joke with you. I'm like that po talaga, just to make someone feel better. So, I would say na I related to her in that way.
For me po, how I was able to relate and resonate as being Ma'am Alma is how sometimes, and this is something I go through constantly, na minsan sarili ko yung nagpipigil sa sarili ko to do greater things. Yun, parang it is portrayed in the film that Ma'am Alma stops in her tracks just because of her insecurities. And that's, I feel like, something that a lot of people go through every day, na parang they are capable of amazing things, pero yung mga siguro inner demons or mga yung pag-overthink, dun pa yung pumipigil sa kanila to be able to step outside of the box. And so, honestly, for me po, like, I have also been in the industry for a while as a singer, pero upon portraying Ma'am Alma's role, parang natutunan ko to really take risks and to just embrace who I am and really value the people who genuinely want me to succeed also. And so I'm just very grateful that I got to bring life to Ma'am Alma Taldo in the film after being inspired by her in real life.
Nancy Bongga, Showbiz Bongga.
Yes, hello. Good afternoon. My question is for Rachel. Rachel, yes, another
Yes.
milestone sa career mo yung, of course, yung pagkapanalo mo as Best Supporting Actress, di ba?
Thank you.
Yun, how are you, kumbaga, reacting to these new awards, and tapos sabi ni Mori kanina, galing na galing siya sa'yo. Ikaw, anong reaction mo kay Mori, and how is it working with Mori? Yan.
Ayun, hanggang talampakan ng buhok ko, ang haba ng hair ko. And then, so, I didn't know what to expect, honestly, working with Mori, kasi even if I've met her a few times, minsan sa ASAP, yung mga ganung guestings lang. Pero, of course, I always admired her. And every time, even before doing Song of the Fireflies, every time na may magtatanong sa akin na sinong artist of the next generation ang gusto kong makakollaborate or maybe do a duet with, lagi kong sinasabi, Morissette. Okay? And talagang nagbilang ang hell. It's almost like parang the universe or God heard my wishes, and then eto na nga, nagkaroon kami ng duet dito sa film na to. But honestly, I didn't know what to expect. So I was very, very pleasantly surprised at how ang galing-galing ni Mori dito sa role na to. And hindi ako nagugulat that she won the Best Actress Award at the MIFF, and of course also received a Best Actress nomination at the prestigious World Fest Houston International Festival. So can you imagine, first time pa lang niyang umarte sa isang pelikula, nanalo na siya agad. And it was so, yung mga eksena namin kasi, maraming parts doon na parang, alam mo yun, yung parang medyo nagka-clash yung characters. Pero I think it wouldn't have worked kung hindi talagang natural actress si Mori. Now, going back to what you asked me kanina na how am I reacting to the these new parang mga bagong nangyayari. As you all know, I lost my dad just very recently. So it's kind of like, talagang, I could say, 2025, visit ka. Alam mo yun, yung talagang from the lowest of the low to also feeling very, very blessed about all of these things that are happening to the film. And nabanggit nga kanina na na-shelf, nabanggit ni Sir Jeff kanina na sobrang tagal na shelf nitong movie na to. In fact, hindi na namin alam kung mapapalabas pa because of all the challenges that it went through with the pandemic, typhoon, all of that, and then a fire pa in LA, yung wildfire sa LA. So lahat na nangyari. But here we are now. And so talagang so grateful, just so grateful and so excited for all of you to finally see our film.
Thank you and congratulations.